Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'll be showing you a few things you can try if your Amazon Fire TV Stick remote or the TV stick device isn't working. Often if the TV stick remote isn't working. So there are a few things I would generally recommend that you try first ever before you try any of these troubleshooting hacks. One of the first things I would generally recommend is that you should check if there is any obstruction between your TV and your remote, or if, for example, the batteries in the remote are weak. So generally try to change the batteries of the remote if you've been using this remote for a while, and try to see if after changing the batteries of the remote, see if it will probably work. Now the next thing I would recommend that you do is to restart the Fire Stick. So there are two ways to restart your Amazon Fire Stick. You can either turn it off at the power outlet, and when you turn it off, the TV stick goes off, and then you allow it to wait for around 60 seconds, and then you turn it back on. But in this video I'll be showing you a very simple way to restart your Amazon Fire Stick without turning the device off. By doing this, try to see if your remote works. But if it does not work after 60 seconds, then you might, through the settings, decide to turn it, restart the Fire Stick. So let's try to restart it using the remote. Now let us wait for it to come on, and then we'll do a restart. So it's coming on. So you come here. If you'd like to restart your remote, you come to the last icon on the right, the blue one with the J icon on it. You come down to my TV, my Fire TV. You come straight to restart. Try to restart it and see if it will work. So that is the second option I would recommend if your Fire TV remote isn't connecting to your TV. So if you've turned off the power socket or the power outlet for around 60 seconds and your Fire TV remote still isn't working, the next thing you would want to try is going to be a reset of the Fire TV remote itself. Not reset per se, more like a repairing of the remote. So to repair your Fire TV remote, you come to this home button, you hold it down until it starts to blink. Often that will mean you hold it down for a few seconds, around 5 seconds. As soon as you are done holding it down, you let it blink for 5 seconds, and after it blinks for 5 seconds, we'll now try as much as possible to hold it again to stop it. As soon as you've done that, that should often repair your Fire TV to this your Fire TV remote to the Fire TV stick. The next thing I would recommend that you try is to do a complete resetting of this remote. Now the resetting of the Fire TV itself will just be to come straight here to my TV and reset it. But since you are not able to control the remote, you will need to reset this remote itself. Now, how do you reset your Fire TV stick remote? You turn off your Fire TV stick from the outlet or from the back of the TV. So I'll be turning it off from the outlet, and we'll be turning it off for around 60 seconds. So while we have restarted, turned off our Fire TV from the outlet for around 60 seconds, we are going to do something else on our remote. So we're going to come to our remote. We're going to press the back button, the menu button, and then this left button for around 12 seconds. After you hold it down for around 12 seconds, you remove the batteries from your Fire TV remote. So we take out the batteries and basically have it disconnected. After taking out the battery, we will now turn on our Fire TV stick again so that it comes on. After it comes on, we will allow it to give us a notification. The notification is going to be that it is not saying the remote, so the remote cannot be detected. So let's allow it come on. So if you've done everything right, after your TV comes on and your Fire TV stick restarts, you are going to get this notification on your TV. We cannot detect your remote. So let us insert our batteries back and try to have it detect our remote. So the idea is that it is going to reset everything and have it detected. So this is it. If your remote still isn't working, you need to reset it. But now we've already reset our remote, so it should work just now. So let us see if this will work. So it should start working pretty much after this. So thank you so much. If you like this video, subscribe to our channel, and we'll be seeing you in the next one.